Did you know that Salesforce Flow can be used to schedule and run Apex code? My name's Eric, and I'm from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin, developer, or consultant who wants to learn about more advanced automation tools to optimize your workflows in Salesforce, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use Apex and scheduled paths together for more advanced flow automation, so you can schedule tasks and trigger advanced logic in your Salesforce flows. First, let's start with a real use case. Batch processes and timing control are critical when handling large amounts of record updates. Using Apex in tandem with scheduled paths allows you to ensure your actions occur at the exact right moment. For example, you can automatically send a welcome email to an account's related contacts a few days after it's created, or send a payment reminder email after an opportunity is updated to closed won. To make the magic happen, we need to introduce a couple of tools. The first of which is scheduled paths. In a record-triggered flow set to run after a record is saved, scheduled paths allow you to delay all or part of a flow for a specified period of time. The second tool we'll need is invocable methods. We can call Apex classes directly from a flow using the invocable method annotation. Using @invocable method inside your Apex class allows you to call it from your flow to perform complex logic or DML operations, which allows you to modify data within your Salesforce org, such as insert, update, or delete records. But before we dive into the step-by-step walkthrough, I want to take a moment to mention the benefits of taking payments directly where your customer data lives, in Salesforce. We've created a Salesforce payments checklist that can help you boost your ROI and lower payment processing fees. You can download it now by clicking the link in the description. Step 1. Create an invocable Apex class. Before you start creating your flow, ensure you've created your Apex class, including the invocable method annotation. We won't go over this in detail for this video, but we've added a link in the description with more information. Step 2. Build a record-triggered flow. Now you need to build a record-triggered flow and choose the object and trigger conditions that start your flow. In our example, the flow will trigger when an account record is created. Step 3. Configuring the scheduled path. Next, click Add Scheduled Paths. Immediately, we can see that the flow has created two separate branches, one that denotes the action that will occur immediately, and another that follows the rules of the specified delay. Create a path label and set the time to reflect your specified delay. We'll add our delay for 2 days. Step 4. Immediate actions. In the Run Immediately path, we'll address any actions that we want to occur at the time the flow is triggered. For example, we may want to create additional contacts based on the creation of our account. Step 5. Delayed Apex actions. The heart of our flow is in the actions we place in the delayed path, where we can add our invocable Apex class. Click the plus sign, select Action, and type Apex. Select your custom Apex class and provide a label. In our case, we want to add an Apex class called Doggo Action that sends an email welcoming all contacts related to the newly created account and performs other complex behind-the-scenes logic. Step 6. Troubleshoot and test. Lastly, we always recommend creating and testing your flows in a sandbox environment before rolling it out to production. Make sure you adhere to best practices when considering error handling and debugging. If you want to learn more, we've added a link to a great Trailhead trail in the description below. And that's it. You're all set. You've created a flow that's ready to take both immediate actions and delayed Apex actions. With your newfound knowledge, you're ready to tackle more advanced flow processes to automate your team's most tedious tasks. My name is Eric, and I'm from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Make sure to download the payments checklist via the link in the description. And for more helpful tips, watch this next video here. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.